In this video, I will be discussing static resources. Specifically, I will talk about how to use static resources to display social media icons and links in a Lightning Web Component. Firstly, I will download some social media icons. Then, I will go to the Setup menu and click on the Quick Find box. I will search for the keyword static resource and click on static resource, followed by the New button. And next, I will provide a suitable name and description and choose the social media icon image that has already been downloaded. I will set the cache control value according to the requirements. In my case, I will select public. Finally, I will save the static resource records and simultaneously create another archer. The Lightning Web Component that displays social media icons and opens corresponding links when clicked is constructed as follows. Each social media icon is represented by a div element containing an image, and the URLs of the images are defined in the component's JavaScript code. When an icon is clicked, the corresponding click event handler function is called, which uses the window.open method to open the respective social media link in a new tab or window. Let's examine the HTML code. The template tag serves as the root element of the LWC and encompasses the structure of the component. The Lightning Card component is employed to create a card-like container with a specified variant. Within the card, there is a div element with a class custom CSS class that encloses the social media icons. Each social media icon is represented by a div element with inline styles for padding, height, and width. Additionally, each icon has an onClick attribute that binds a click event handler function. Now, let's move on to the JavaScript code. The import statements are utilized to import the static resource URLs for the social media icons. The AccuSport default class static resource in LWC extends Lightning element defines the LWC component class named static resource in LWC, which extends the Lightning element base class. Within the component class, the URLs of the social media icons are assigned to variables using the imported static resource URLs. The component class also contains click event handler functions for each social media icon. These functions employ the window.open method to open the respective social media links in a new browser tab or window. And lastly, move to the XML configuration code. The XML code represents the metadata configuration for the Lightning Web Component bundle. In this example, the target is set in a Lightning tab. Only the Lightning tab target is specified, indicating that the component can be used within a tab in the Lightning Experience UI. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.